Quality luxury saunas don't have to be expensive or small. If you want an affordable oasis, then stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. There's something remarkable about a space that makes room for everyone who matters, where wellness isn't a solo pursuit, but a shared experience, where you can gather with family, reconnect with a partner, or simply stretch out completely on your own terms. Introducing the Heritage Pelmo Indoor Sauna. Exceptional value meets exceptional space, where modular precision and artisan craftsmanship create a sanctuary designed for the way you actually live. Now let's talk about what makes the Pelmo uniquely versatile. At nearly 6 feet wide and 8 feet deep, with 40 square feet of interior space, this is a sauna designed for flexibility, fitting 4 to 6 people comfortably with room to recline fully, space to shift positions, and no compromises. 2 extra long benches, each nearly 2 feet wide. The sauna is crafted from solid Linden wood. Linden is a prized sauna culture for good reason. Its low resin content keeps surfaces smooth and pleasant to the touch. It cools quickly between sessions, and it develops a beautiful, subtle patina over time. Whether you prefer to sit upright in contemplation, lie back and let your muscles release, or share the experience with others, the Pelmo accommodates every preference with ease. Here's where engineering meets elegance. The Pelmo uses modular systems construction, layered wall panels that arrive prefabricated and precision fit. This isn't simply about convenience, though installation takes just hours instead of days. It's about superior performance. These sandwich-style panels create exceptional thermal stability. Heat rises and holds consistently. Temperature variations are minimal, and because the system is modular, future servicing or even repositioning becomes remarkably straightforward. The bronze tempered glass door, 5/16 of an inch thick, is set into a solid wood frame, engineered to withstand repeated heat cycles. It brings natural light into the cabin, maintains visual openness, and when properly installed with adequate clearances, preserves thermal efficiency beautifully. And here's a detail that matters if you're working with existing space. The Pelmo features wood cladding on just one exterior side. It's designed for corner installations, making it ideal for homes where every square foot has a purpose. Mirrored assembly options mean you can orient the entry exactly where it works best for your layout. So let's picture Friday evening. The week is behind you, and you and your partner step inside together. The door closes with that satisfying seal. Warmth begins to envelop you both. The Linden benches feel smooth against your skin. You settle in, one of you reclining fully on one bench, the other sitting upright on the other. There's room to breathe, room to be quiet together, or perhaps it's Sunday morning. Just you, the house is still. You stretch out completely, arms overhead, feet relaxed. The bronze-tinted light filters through the glass door. Your breathing slows, your mind clears. This is what intentional space creates. Permission to restore however you need to, whenever you need to. The Pelmo's layered wall construction provides nearly 3 inches of insulation depth, superior thermal performance that reduces energy consumption and maintains consistent comfort. The spruce exterior is durable and architecturally clean. The included floor grate keeps your feet comfortable throughout your session. Professional installation by a licensed electrician is required. This is a permanent wellness feature of your home, installed to exacting standards with proper 4-inch clearances for optimal ventilation and heater performance. Your heater and controls are selected separately, allowing you to customize the power and features that match your specific needs and usage patterns. You've created a home that reflects your values. You've invested in spaces that serve your family's well-being. You understand that true luxury isn't about excess. It's about thoughtful design that enhances daily life. The Heritage Pelmo Indoor Sauna delivers exactly that. Generous space for the people who matter most. Modular construction that installs cleanly and performs flawlessly. Solid Linden craftsmanship that ages beautifully with use. This isn't just where you go to warm up, it's where your family gathers, where conversations deepen, where restoration becomes shared ritual, not a rare indulgence. The Heritage Pelmo, designed for how you live, built for how you want to feel. If you've enjoyed learning about this today, hit that subscribe button to see all our sauna models and head over to saunaplace.com to explore more. Want to talk to a real live expert? Give us a call at 931-516-6577 or come visit us at our showroom. We're here to guide you every step of the way. It's on, my friends.